Why learning to code is good for becoming a web designer. There is a lot of debate out there as to whether designers really need to learn code, and I'm of the opinion that you should learn how to code, and it actually makes you a better web designer because it's something that gives you something extra that you can offer your clients when building their websites. Because as someone who knows how to code, you can go beyond what is there in many of the templates that are provided, where you can customize things. And also, as someone to code, you can build a site from scratch yourself using code. And that means you can offer your clients a very custom solution for whatever problem they have in trying to create a website to attract their customers. So if there's something unique that goes beyond some of the drag and drop builders that are out there, as someone who can code, you are going to be someone that can provide that solution for that client. And this gives you a lot more opportunities in terms of work, because you can be the one that they go to when they go to other designers who are unable to provide that solution for them, because their skills are limited by them only being able to build websites using various software that's out there that provides either templates or drag and drop visual designs, and it's not enough for them for whatever they're trying to do. As someone who codes, you can provide that custom solution. And it is something that allows you to also charge higher prices, because you are someone who's taken that extra time to train. You're someone that has extra skills that you can provide, and then that makes you someone that's more sought after and someone that can charge higher prices because you have the skills that other people don't. And I think in this day and age, it's even more important for designers to learn how to code and be that person that clients can go to provide the best solution, because the software is making it so that many people can build websites without a lot of background in either programming, computer science, or in design. And so everybody can watch these tutorials that are on YouTube, on the internet, and learn how to use the software. And they can build things. Sometimes what they're building isn't really appropriate for the company that they work for. And as a designer, you can be the one to help them, because you are someone that knows design, and you can guide them to build a product that's better for their company. Aren't getting from the tutorials of the software that's just teaching them how to do something, but it's not really teaching them why to do something. And as a designer, you have that training. You are someone that understands, what typography to use, what colors to use, why to use them, what should be the layout of a site that attracts customers to that particular industry. And so these are the things that we can provide as designers. And the more skills that we have, we can provide better solutions for our clients. So I really think that to be a successful web designer, it is helpful for you to learn how to code and not rely solely on all these tools that are out there that provide visual drag and drop builders for you to build websites. Presented by Designers Learn Code.